Hi, I'm Cheryl, and today we're going to be replacing the left front element on a Maytag range. You may need to replace your left front element if it is shorted out or if it's not heating properly. This repair should only take about 15 minutes. For this repair, we're only going to need two tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. If you don't already have a new left front element, they are available for purchase on our website. Before repairing any appliance, always make sure it is completely disconnected from its power source. We'll start by unscrewing the cooktop from the frame. In order to do that, we'll need to open the top oven. There are 4 screws that we'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew on the bottom. We can close the oven door and then carefully lift up on the cooktop and lift up and back. Now we have access to our element. To replace our left front element, we'll start by notating how the wires are connected to the element, just so it's easier to reattach the wires after we have it replaced. So once we know how these are hooked up, you can take a picture, take some notes. We'll take our flathead screwdriver and pry off these wires. There are 3 clips holding the element to the surface here. So we're going to take our flathead screwdriver. You can pry out on one of them and lift up. And we'll do that for 2 of the clips. And then we can just lift up on the last one. We're going to have to transfer the old clips to the new element. In order to remove them from the element, all you have to do is squeeze them to remove them. Just be sure that you're notating which number point each of the clips is at, because we'll be placing them at the same points on the new element. So squeeze to remove for all 3 of the clips. There we go. Now we're ready to install our new front left heating element. So flip it over. We'll install the clips. Make sure you reference your notes to install the clips. We had one at 57. Squeeze and insert the little tab into the hole. We had one at 33. And we had one at 9. And we can replace our heating element. Line up the slots with the clips. And push it down into place. There we go. Reattach the wiring. And that's it. Now we can replace the cooktop. And we can open the oven door and insert the screws. Close the door and you're done. That wasn't too hard, right? Here's a quick recap. All of our OEM parts and tools are available for purchase on our website. Check them out and let us know what you think on these social media sites.